Maya po oras kabalen. Kayong tabing mabilgo persaning GNN TV 44, pagyela rin makapanahon at lokal na istoryang dapat yung abalo, kapamilataning garantisado, kumpleto ang pumbalansing informasyon. Ore ni po rin balita may kalap ining Lunes, August 18, 2025. Ako po Benny Ginto at iti ang News Force Pampanga. May gitlibong memalen iba't king kaduang distrito ing libreng may kapagpa-check up paulining alagang nanay preventive healthcare program ay ni-report ng Ira Ignacio.
Bigit king libong kabalen iba't king kaduang distrito ning Pampanga ing minta king Lubao Gymnasium para king alagang nanay preventive healthcare program. May kapagpalawi lang libre at migidinan lang maintenance medicines ring memalen iba't king Lubao, Sasman at Porac. Penimunan ng Governor Lilia Nanay Pineda ining medical mission, kayan tabi ay 2nd District Board Member Fritzy David Dizon, ang poreng staff iba't king Kapitolyo asinaw at meg asikaso king pamamiya serbisyong medikal. Pepaganakana naman Governor Nanay kareng sabla na manatili ang makabuklat ing Kapitolyo at makasadyayang sumaup kareng ninumang makaranas sintomas o problema king kalusugan. Ako po Ira Ignacio para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, king Balen, Susuyo.
Porsigido ya ang Balibago Waterworks king kayang advokasya, karas king pamaglinis king kinadalanan danong ay ni-report.
Penimunaneng Balibago Waterworks Incorporated President Crisel Alejandro ing kalimang monthly Abacan River Cleanup Drive king Barangay Anunas, Ciudad ng Angeles ngayon August 16, 2025.
Today is the Abacan River Cleanup. So, Balibago Waterworks and Maxi plus Arrow ACI initiated this advocacy to clean up the Abacan River because it is one of the rivers that runs through Angeles City.
Toklula, king migit 70 empleyado ng kumpanya ang megisan metong king aktibidad. Kayabe ring hanggang Vice Presidents, adina Mark Araulio, Nelly Bautista, Jonathan Raimundo, Bing Lyson, Gerard Kapala, Joel Cabrera, Hobart Gonzalez at Sunny Cruz. Party 18 ning Abacan program na susulong ning Balibago Waterworks kaya duwangan ing Metro Angeles Chamber of Commerce and Industry at ing nagkakaisang guardians king pamanimuna ng Presidente Sunny Dobles. May kisan metong muna man keti ing City Environment and Natural Resources Office ning Angeles, reng Barangay Local Government Unit at ing Abacan River and Angeles Watershed Advocacy Council Incorporated o Araw ACI bang asiguradong matagumpay ang proyekto kapag nasana niti ing siguraduang malinis at mabyeya ing ilog Abacan emo para king kalikasan nune para kareng tutuking generasyon ning Ciudad Angeles. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susunod.
Kaya katanim ang silipan bayong premium community ay ampal ning The Houselands king istorya ng Patricia Mamangon.
Imagine waking up to fresh air, wide roads, and green open spaces. Tapos ilang minutes lang, nasa Clark ka na. That's exactly the lifestyle na ino-offer ng The Houselands Clark Way, ang latest premium residential community ng The Houseland Development Corporation na officially nilaunch nitong August 15 sa Barangay Dukit, Mabalacat City along Angeles Magalang Bypass Road. Inspired by Blue Zone living, meaning healthy, active at well-balanced lifestyle. Ang community na ito ay designed para sa lahat, whether single ka, newly married, may kids, o enjoying retirement. Bonus pa, malapit sa Clark International Airport, Clark Freeport Zone, SC-TEX at NLEX, plus nearby schools, malls, banks, churches at hospitals. Basically, everything you need is just around the corner.
Alam naman natin today, di ba, yung typical development, mass housing development, puno ng bahay, it's like a concrete jungle, even in the urban areas in Metro Manila, you have the condominiums na punong-puno ng mga building. So ito, tinry lang namin mag-experiment this time i-adapt natin kung ano yung mga features ng areas na feature about the blue zones that would promote several key aspects, including health and wellness, active lifestyle, prayer and meditation, a lot of green, even the community growing their own produce, pinagsama-sama natin dito in a very artistic way.
Ginanap sa soft launch ang unveiling ng the Houselands Clarkway marker, groundbreaking of the grand entrance gate, blessing of the sales office and model units, and a ceremonial planting of pink trumpet trees, symbolizing the community's commitment to green living.
Here in the Houselands Clarkway, we did something different. We planted pink trumpet trees. Alam niyo po, that is a local tree, a native tree. Hindi siya mahirap i-grow. But the beautiful thing is that when planted together, every summer, it will bloom into beautiful pink flowers. Every summer. And ang vision namin doon is to have that unique feel for the children, especially, that they would remember. Every summer po, ang main road namin is lined with pink blossoms. And that would just make it a landmark and something that they would remember all the rest of their lives. So,
Inside the gated community, itatayo ang mga lifestyle zones para hindi lang basta bahay ang investment, kundi buong experience. Meron ditong courtyard, the playyard, the grove, the active grounds, the village farm, and the Possum Park. Currently available for pre-selling ang dalawang model units. There's Ira model and Vera model. Plus, may introductory pricing, launch discounts at flexible financing schemes, making it easier to turn your dream home into reality. Kung ready ka na sa next chapter ng buhay mo, the Houselands Clarkway is more than just a house. It's a lifestyle upgrade right here in Pampanga's growth hotspot. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.
At in pa mga paling balita, in pa magbalik ning News Force Pampanga.
Nandamaning El Nino. Kung toro papali o mitatasing temperatura, daragul mo naman ing pamangailangan king kuryente. King daragula demand king kuryente asang kaning paning pamangamit kareng appliances kalupaning aircon, freezer at refrigerator. Asahan tamo naman na siguradong tuki ing kimot ning presyo ning kuryente amani batan king wholesale electricity spot market. Inya naman papaganakan ning Sfelapco kareng hanggang consumers ing paniguradong pamagbayo ning konsumo at presyo ning kuryente balang kilowatt hour. Manatiling makayantabe king kaya kaming Facebook page para kareng latest advisory. Beto nga paganaka, ibat king Sfelapco.
Isang makakayabing araw po sa inyong lahat. Fernandinos, masaya at malugod ko pong ibinabalita na nominado ang ating siyudad San Fernando sa prestihiyosong World Travel Awards sa kategoryang Asia's Leading Regional Cultural Destination 2025. Sa kabuuan, isa po tayo sa 10 lokalidad sa buong Pilipinas na nominado sa World Travel Awards na itinuturing na isa sa pinakamalaking award-giving body sa iba't ibang larangan gaya ng travel, tourism at hospitality. Bilang Christmas capital of the Philippines at home of the giant lanterns, ang ating pong syudad ay may mayaman na tradisyon at kultura. At ang ating pamana ay talaga namang ating binibigyang halaga. Personal po akong nagpapasalamat sa City Tourism and Investment Promotions Office at Department of Tourism bilang kayo po ang naging susi upang makilala ang turismo ng San Fernando sa global stage. Kaya naman sa mga Fernandino, pati na po sa mga Kapampangan at Filipino, inaanyayahan ko po kayong iboto ang siyudad San Fernando bilang Asia's Leading Regional Cultural Destination 2025 sa World Travel Awards. Mababasa po ang kabuang detalye ng nominasyon sa caption ng video post na ito. Luwidya in Philippine Tourism. Luwidya in Ciudad San Fernando. Luwidya in World Travel Awards.
Deni pa rin balitang dapat tamang tutukan. Kaya katanemang silipan ng photo exhibit, apapakit, pintetagan na rin Kapampangan, king report ng Patricia Mamaw.
Fashion meets culture, king bayong photography exhibit at talaghay ning internationally awarded visual storyteller Gerald Gloton. Ang makalatag ngeni manibat August 16 hanggang October 13, 2025 king Oasis Art Wall, Oasis Hotel, Angeles City. Composed of 9 stunning pieces, ing exhibit magkwento yang istorya ning tetagan dareng Kapampangan, ing karelang identity at ing mabanding kultura. Ing titela talaghay mismo, malalamyang Tagalog amano ang mga intulirang resilience. Emo makasentro king survival, nune pati king dignidad, karanasan, at pamagbayo. Every piece is rich in meaning. Iba't king bayanihan o pamisaup-saup kay bat ning pamamakbong ning bulkang Pinatubo inyang 1991 hangga king meto nga reimagining ning The Little Prince shot king Kwari king Porak kayabe ing designer ay John Bongkaras. Plus, a portrait series aantimo kakalampag laban king toxic masculinity in collaboration with Jorem and Alagad ng Sino.
So itong exhibit na to, yung talaghay, ibig sabihin niya resilience at feature dito yung mga Kapampangan artists, Kapampangan designers na nakakolaborate ko through the years. And hina-highlight din natin dito yung galing ng mga kapwa natin Kapampangan at yung strength and resilience na sinisimbolize nitong iba't ibang images na meron tayo.
Pero aliwa mo rin obra rin ating kwento, nune pating space mismo. The Oasis Art Wall was revived last year by Samantha Tayag and Mandy Del Rosario, inspired by their family's long-time passion for the arts.
It's natural for us to support artists and their artwork. So you'll see also in the rooms or even in the bathrooms, meron mga nakaposts na paintings or sketches. So parang it's second nature lang to have artworks around the vicinity.
With the Artist Swap Initiative, may ganyang lugaliti para kareng niyayaliwang artist bang ibida in karelang talento at gawa.
Parang magkaroon sila ng place to showcase their
artwork.
Work. So, yun, nag-start kami with si Lloyd. Tapos, yun, from there, nag-isip kami kung sino yung mga willing or sino yung mga, parang ikaw, mga gusto or interested. Tapos, yun, naisip lang namin na maganda siguro parang pag maglalagay yung isa, tapos magpapalit na ng next, isabay namin yung araw para at least magkakilala yung mga artists, para maano yung community.
Supported by Oasis Hotel, CSI Digital Lab, MDL Multimedia, Artifacts Design, Talaghay marks a fresh chapter for the art world. Meto nga gallery at gathering ground para kareng artist at komunidad. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.
Katamong pakibaluan ng bilining panahon king lalawigan, kilob ng 24 oras.
Metong neng ganap pabagyo ing babanteng low pressure area ning Pag-asa, apelag yuang waning. Tauling ikititing bagyo king 520 kilometers east-northeast ning Itbayat, Batanes. Makaranas naman maula pa panahon na turan king aliwang parti ning Northern at Central Luzon.
Kabalen, maging party kakimpa magbalita ketiking News Force Pampanga. Tanumang kaganapan, isyo o reklamo king kay lugal, malyari mong ikwento isumbong, kapamilatan na rin numerong mayakit king kayong screen. Malyari mo namang mag-post ka rin kaming social media accounts. Panalakaran ng News and Public Affairs Team ng GNN TV 44, nga dinan kayong mata sa kalidad ng lokal na pamagbalita bilang panatang serbisyo kaning sablang Kapampangan. I'll venue lang yung Lunes, may nakala pa istorya, ketiking probinsya. Yaku po'y beniginto at iniyi in News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, king Balen, susunod.